In this video, I'm going to show how to prepare our data in Excel and bring that into ArcGIS Pro for mapping. I have my data here. I prepared that in Microsoft Excel. I saved this as comma separated value file, CSV file. Save as. In this option, click here and select this CSV, comma delimited .csv. So you will select and save that. Let's drag and drop here on the map. After this, here on this left side, you'll see standalone tables. I showed dragging and dropping. Another way to bring that is go to the map tab here and click add, and you can browse. And here's the CSV file. You can add that way as well. So you can see these two CSV. Let me remove the last one. On the map tab, click XY table to point. Map tab, and this layer group here, you can see directly XY table to point. If you do not see, it's here on add data points from table, XY table to point. So let's click here, and this geoprocessing and appears. What is the input table? That's this standalone table. Output table feature class. Leave it as it is. Click run. Let's close the geoprocessing. I can actually change the coordinate system of this map here. Properties. Coordinate system. Oh, it's in 14. Okay, not in 14. Right. So the main important thing is when we select an XY table to point, don't change this coordinate system, keep it as it is. Just supply this input, output, X, Y, and then click run. Sometimes you might be incorrectly putting your X and Y field, and even in the X field and Y field. Let me show you the example. Sometimes when you are inputting your data, think about this minus, minus, minus. So if instead of minus, if I'm using just plus, then it will not take me to this location, it will take me to somewhere else. Think about the correct inputting of your data. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and also subscribe this channel. On the comment box below, please write what kind of video you want me to prepare for you. Thank you.